Bismillah. Today, inshallah, we are going to explain the ease in and out inside Adobe Animate. First of all, I'm going to create a shape with shift to create a circle. And then I'm going to enable the classic tween. And here at the end, by using the transform, I'm going to move it here. Now we have an animation. When we create the animation, here inside the properties, inside the frames, we have the ease and the effects. Inside the ease properties together, we can work with them separately. We mean here create the ease in and out for all the attributes, for example, position, rotation, scale, color, and others. Or we can work with them together at the same time. Here, if you click on a classic ease, you can see that we have ease in, out, ease in, ease out, ease in and out, and custom. By ease in, we mean the object will start slow and then go fast. Ease out, start fast and go back to slow. Ease in and out, start slow, go fast, and then last before the object stop or before the next keyframe, it will go back to slow. Let us try the ease in, and this means we can specify the level of easing in, and this means the object will start fast and go back to slow. We need to double click on it. Let us try. You can see that the object starts slow and go fast. If we go back here and inside it, we convert it to ease out. As we said, it will start fast and go back to slow. You can specify the level. By pressing on double, we will enable it. Let us now click on it. I think you can see that now the object start fast and go back to slow. The third one, the is in and out. Going back here, is in and out. As we said, the object will start slow and then fast and then go back to slow. Double click. Let us try now. In the middle, will go fast. You can see it inside the onion skinning. We increase the frames. You can see that here at the middle, there are a few frames. And that's in brief what we mean by is in and out and how we can use them inside Adobe Animate. That's it for today, and thank you.